Barok kiladan haduk kumbaar penyungut kibri belaklat no haka Jylla na ka jingpang Rabies hakini ki asnam baladam kabala penlong ru ya ka sorkar Jylla bakan shim ya ka rai ban pentrikam ya ki sinjam ban iaka injek ya ki ksew surok bat ban pentik na ru bakindan ki jingai injek anti Rabies hapok ki hospital patba haduk ki PHC kumju. Da ka bapen pa bakani ka mat ka de ka basngu kya shibun na kalyang ka menteri ka tanat ka koy ka kya ka kong ampen ningdo kalaong kidon ru kinongeda ya ki ksew surok tat hadu babaro ki bayadan benta kinwan ha ka ju ka rensan kan long ka basyam shitom ban penya ya ka ne ka kam ngikermen bahadin ka tayo jingalap ya ka jingpang Rabies ngin sala ban shim kya ya ka ne ka jinge ka bakraw bat kam long ka bashisha bangin up tat hadu baka jingyap kan nang kiu Habapun kan ma baka jing itika injek persya ya kan ka jingpang kade ka jingkit kli jong kinong shong shnong ka menteri watla kata kalaong kadon ru ka jinga kren baka jing itika ya ka jingpang kimla Henry na markata mentangi IT ha ka Jylla bangin pentikna bahadu ka kertan PHC badai bandan be ka jing I injek Rabies nang baki nong shong shnong kinyo ya kan kalat banya dana ka jingpang Rabies ngikermen baka kan suggestion but ngikermen bangin la banweng ya kanika jing Shwa kani ka State Surveillance Officer of Integrated Disease Surveillance Program IDSP kabadiru ka Noodle Officer na kabenta ka jingpang Rabies ka Dr. Valerie Lalu kala puntip pa na ki ar penyongot ki bayap na ka jingpang Rabies katway ngot ki day house ng baladam but kat nriungot hadu ubenay nailur menta usnem ki district ki babuntam ki beri ki baklat na ka jingpang Rabies ki day na West Khasi Hills but West Giant Hills kata damar nriungan Kala ong ru bakandai pun 100% na ki jingyap na ka Rabies kidai ki bangat ha ka jing syak dai ksew ka jing klat ka bakhat du na ka ni ka jingpang kadai ka badang shujia dangshen ya ka dong ture ka tanat ka kot ka kya MLHP hadien bakala syak dai ha ukso surok dang ha kini ki ar benai baladam
wish that it was as simple as you say it is. Unfortunately, awareness on rabies we now realize has become a big priority. And hence, before the situation deteriorates, we are already planning an approach. And this approach is what we hope will happen henceforth. So it is very tricky because, as correctly pointed out by one of your own scribes, there are also protectors of stray dogs. Until all concerned stakeholders come on the same platform, it is going to be next to impossible to handle this. We hope that after this Rabies Awareness Week, we will be able to strategically attend to this big problem. And it is also not true that we are waiting for deaths to increase. A rabies vaccination is a responsibility of a citizen. There is also a talk that rabies vaccination are not available, etc., etc., etc. Hence, now we are committing to the state that we will ensure that up to the PHC level, there should be rabies vaccination available so that citizens can avail this facility to prevent that. We are hoping that this will happen soon, and we are curbing it, and we hope that we will be able to address it.
So regarding rabies, first of all, I would like to say that we've had a lot of cases of dog bites, and 96% of rabies is because of dog bites. And out of these, we've had till the last case that was reported, that was the 16th death that happened this year. So this incident is also very unfortunate because being a health professional herself, our MLHP, who's a nurse, she succumbed to this disease, which is actually 100% preventable and at the same time 100% fatal. So with vaccination and wound management at the right time, this disease could be prevented. but unfortunately, because of reasons unknown to us, the MLHP could not get the congrestiful. She could not get the vaccine at the right time. And as I mentioned, rabies is a fatal disease. So once the signs and symptoms were, they started to be shown in her, there was no chance of, of getting back to normal. It was a progression towards fatality. So I think that is what we can say about this. Probably lack of awareness and at the same time complacency. As sir had also mentioned, it was a bite due to a puppy. So usually we think that puppies are still sterile. They don't have any much diseases in them. We find them cute and harmless. But actually, puppies, less than 2 months, they are not vaccinated. So these are at the stage where if there is any infection in them, they are most, probably that they will infect another person who's bitten. Last 5 years, yes, we have. What happened is that rabies has been is a notifiable disease since last year. Okay, but 2023 March. So before that, there was not much of a system of reporting and of documenting cases. But from 2023 onwards, we've had
2023 onwards.
yes. Deaths were around, I think, 9 deaths that 9 to 11 deaths that happened in last year, 2023. So that was high. I think it was 11, not to be mistaken, and that was for the whole calendar year. This time it's only in the month of till September. We haven't, it's not complete yet. So we still have actually 17, but the 17th case we have not completed our investigation yet. So officially it is 16 cases of death cases. Most of the cases were stray dogs. Only 1 or 2 were their own pet dogs, but majority were stray dogs. And also because of, most majority of them were in rural areas, and also the majority of them did not receive any vaccination. So the post-exposure prophylaxis was not given to those, they had not taken after the bite.
Anti-rabies week, we want to firstly set the ball rolling on the sterilization and vaccination of stray dogs, which is undertaken by the Department of Veterinary. So tomorrow there is this culmination of this week-long awareness program where both the Minister of Veterinary and the Minister of Health will be together at the same platform to receive information on plans that are being proposed to curb this rampant spread of rabies. Like the doctor has just said, it is fatal, it is a serious concern. 27 deaths up to September 2024 is a number which is very alarming.